So balancing of redox reaction, so it takes place by two methods. One is oxidation number method and another one is ion electron method. So already we have seen oxidation number method. Next we are going to see ion electron method. So in this method we are going to use ionic redox reaction. Ionic redox reaction. So what are the steps takes place in ion electron method? So steps for ion electron method. So first step, as usual, using oxidation number, we are going to find out reactants which undergo oxidation and reduction. So using oxidation number, so already we know how to do. And second step is off equation. So you have to split the reactions into two off equations, and then we have to balance the atoms and charges on both sides. So you have to separate two off equation. And then we have to balance the atoms and charges on both sides. And step 3, oxygen atom is balanced by adding water molecule on falling short of oxygen atom. So where the oxygen atom is short is either in the left side or right side. So we have to, suppose if the falling short on oxygen on right hand side means you have to add water molecule on right hand side. Suppose if the oxygen falling short on left hand side means you have to add left hand side H2O molecules. So that's why you mentioned oxygen atom is balanced by adding water molecule on falling short of oxygen atom. So hydrogen atom is balanced by adding H plus on falling short of hydrogen atom. So where the hydrogen shortage is there means you have to add H plus. If it is hydrogen shortage on right hand side means you have to add right hand side H plus. If it is shortage on left hand side means you have to add H plus on left hand side. And final step is addition of two off reaction, then we get 10 balanced equation. So adding this two off reaction, in the second step we split two off equation. So after completing these three steps, then finally we add a two off reaction, we get a balanced equation. So we can see one example, same what we seen for oxidation number method. So oxidation number method, already we seen this, KMnO4, FeSO4 react sulfuric acid to form ferric sulfate along with manganese sulfate. So in the topic, manganese is plus 7, here manganese is plus 2 and SO4 is minus 2 and iron is in plus 2, SO4 minus 2. So remaining atom there is no change in the oxidation state of the atoms, only these two elements alone undergo change in oxidation number. So next we have to write ionic form of equation. So I write it written as ionic form. So K plus and go to right hand, it moves to right hand side means become minus. So that's in the power I mentioned minus because equal to you put minus. So I written in the power M1/4 minus. So in this case Fe2 plus only the atom undergoing change in oxidation number alone we consider. So Fe2. So H2SO4 on acid. So already in 10th standard we study acid means compound containing H plus is acid, compound containing OH minus is base. So sulfuric acid written as H plus in ionic form. So in this equation we know when substituting this we can get ion is in Fe3 plus. We know how to calculate because put to 2x plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 0 because no power. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 6, 2x equal to 3. So ion is in plus 3 oxidation state. That's why written in ionic form Fe3 plus and manganese in plus 2 oxidation state. So once we written in the ionic form, then we have, this is the first step. Second step we have to write off equation. So first half equation you write it as M1O4 minus plus M1O4 minus is converted into M12 plus is one half equation. Next Fe2 plus is converted into Fe3 plus. So in this equation M1O4 minus is converted into M12 plus and plus is converted into Fe3 plus. So in this case iron loses one electron. In case of this, it is an oxidation reaction, so loss of electron takes place. It is a reduction. Reduction means gain of electron. So M1 is plus 7 oxidation state, it is in plus 2 oxidation state. So plus 7 to plus 2 means automatically we know 7 to 2, so it gains electron. Gain of electron means reduction. 2 plus 2, 3 plus means loss its electron, so loss of electron is oxidation. So in this equation, manganese 7 to plus 7 to plus 2 means it gains 5 electron. So MnO4 minus gains 5 electron to form Mn2 plus. So it is a reduction. Let's consider this equation as 1, this equation as 2. Next step, so separated 2 of equation, then we have to balance the 2 of equations. So balance means we have to equal both the electrons present on left hand side and right hand side, and also balance the other atoms present in the equation. So first equation, Fe2 plus is converted into Fe3 plus 1 electron. In this case, there is no other atom present along with the equation, so no change in this equation. No change in the equation. Suppose I consider equation 3. But in case of second equation, oxygen left hand side 4, right hand side 1, there is no oxygen. Already I said oxygen atom is balanced by adding water molecule on falling short of oxygen atom. So left hand side 4 oxygen, right hand side no oxygen. So left hand side you have 4 oxygen, then you have to add 4 water molecules on right hand side. So Mn O4 minus plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4 H2O. So 4 oxygen, 4 water molecules are added. So oxygen is balanced, but now you see hydrogen. Right hand side we have 4 to 8 hydrogen, left hand side no hydrogen. So hydrogen balancing, I said hydrogen is balanced by adding H plus on falling short of hydrogen atom. So here 8 hydrogen, left hand side there is no hydrogen, so you have to add H plus on left hand side. Here right hand side 4 2s are 8, so we have to add 8 H plus on left hand side. Mn O4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8 H plus gives Mn2 plus 4 H2O. So this is equation number 4. So equation 3 is Fe2 plus gives Fe3 plus 1 electron. Equation 4 is Mn O4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8 H plus gives Mn2 plus 4 H2O. Next step is we have to balance the number of electron on this both of equation. So you have to balance the charge. Here 1 electron, here 5 electrons. So you have to make this as 5. So this equation is multiplied by 5. This equation multiplied by 1. Then we get 5 Fe2 plus gives 5 Fe3 plus 1 electron. So this equation is 5. And next one multiplied by 1 means as it is. So Mn O4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8 H plus Mn2 plus 4 H2O. So we balanced every atoms and balanced the atoms and charges on both sides. So final step is adding 2 of reaction. So adding equation 5 and 6. when you add this 5 electron, when you add this equation, you see which one is common on both sides. So only 5 electron is common on both sides. So cancel this 5 electron. So remaining left hand side we have 5Fe2 plus Mn O4 minus, plus we have 8H plus on left hand side. Right hand side we have 5Fe3 plus Mn2 plus 4H2. So this equation is balanced equation. If you want, you check the number of atoms, it is balanced. 5Fe, 4 oxygen, 4 2s are 8 H by 8 hydrogen, so equation is balanced. So it's all about ion electron method. By using ionic form, you are going to get the balanced equation. You try evaluation question in oxidation number method. Alright, forgot to tell. So oxidation number, it is given in page number 26. Last they given text page number 26. Last bottom they given the evaluative yourself question. You find out this because it is important. Maximum they will ask in board exam this question only. Using oxidation number method, this specific question only they will ask. So try. If you didn't get the answer, I will post the video.